Jen Geisinger here. Last night, Jeff and I were cleaning up after the dinner time cooking, and we had a little argument over what can go down the garbage disposal and what cannot. And I realized we're probably not the only couple that has that problem, because I've heard from all kinds of people that like even food shouldn't go down the disposal, all the way to like you could put snowshoes down the disposal. So I'm gonna, instead of holding up, showing you all these gross scraps of food, I thought that I would have the expert, my husband Jeff, respond to a few pieces of paper and let me know what can and cannot go down the disposal. Consider this another version of marriage counseling, all right? Jeff. Item number 1, banana peels.
I've heard people do that, but no.
That's a negatory on the banana peels?
No on a banana peel, and the reason why is because they're so stringy and fibrous that they clog up and get caught in the gears of the grinder things. So that's a big no.
Okay, no banana peels. Next, we have ice cubes. Oh, that means it's okay.
That's the turtle bell for good. Ice cubes are actually a great thing. In fact, I even tell people to, on a regular basis, put ice cubes down just to kind of clean up the garbage disposal, get any kind of gunk that might have accumulated down there, and help clean things out.
And sharpen the blades, right?
And it can sharpen the blades a little bit too.
Okay, how about this?
Is that you putting it down the garbage disposal there?
Yeah. By
crumpling it up? Bones.
Human, food, any kind of bones.
Hopefully nobody's putting human bones down the garbage disposal, but bones, they can get a little bit fibrous as well too, like chicken bones. That's they're just not good.
They get like little shards and.
Don't feed them to dogs. Don't feed them to garbage disposals. Big no on the bones.
Okay. Next we have citrus.
Oh,
Yes.
that is a great one too. What I love to do is after I've used a lime or a lemon with cooking, I'll actually chop that up a little bit and throw it down the garbage disposal, because it can. It help deodorizes the garbage disposal.
So even the like rind.
Especially the rind. Whatever's left over, throw that down the garbage disposal.
Okay. Scraping the plates.
I'm gonna give it a both, because depending on what it is, most of the time table scraps are good, as long as it's not bones, as long as it's not anything stringy and fibrous. So
if you had a plate with ice cubes and citrus on it together, that'd be like a perfect storm of goodness.
I don't know what you're eating with lemon rinds and ice cubes, but yes.
Okay. All right, how about this?
Ooh, that's a big no. Celery, long fibrous fiberness, gets all clogged up in the garbage disposal.
Like all the strings get wrapped around the blades?
It wraps around the blades, and it's just a horribleness.
Okay.
Gosh.
I'm
gonna go with a little no, because pineapple can be a bit fibrous, especially the core. I'm guessing I probably,
the outside,
the outside, the leaves. I wouldn't do pineapple. I just wouldn't.
Okay.
Carrot peels. I would give that a. Carrot peels, I think, are fine to go down the garbage disposal. So I think some people don't necessarily like them, especially when you've got the long strings like that. But I think the garbage disposal can handle that.
What about like potato peel?
And I've heard some people go back and forth on potato skins, potato peels as well too. But I've put them down there. I think they're fine. And if you're concerned, chase it with a little ice.
I've probably put all these things down there. Okay. Last but not least.
Oh. Paper.
I'd say no. So we'll pull this out of here.
Yes, I'd say no too.
For the health of your garbage disposal, avoid the disposal of paper.
And now, one other thing though too is garbage disposals, like a lot of things in your house, actually need to be used on a fairly regular basis. If you don't use it for a few weeks to a few months,
they probably can't see you, so you should step in.
It can actually freeze up and it'll stop working. And maybe another video we'll talk about freeing up a frozen stuck garbage disposal.
Ooh,
okay.
Stay tuned for that.